It all starts with raw materials, high-strength aluminum designed for durability and efficiency. Giant hydraulic presses exert thousands of tons of pressure to shape the car's outer skin.
Each panel is stamped with millimetric precision, ensuring a perfect fit for the Metrolink 3000.
Automated logistics systems transport these massive components to the body shop.
Laser cutting ensures that edges are smooth and ready for welding.
Quality control is rigorous, checking every dimension before assembly proceeds. The press shop operates in a continuous flow to meet production targets. Custom molds are created to form the distinctive aerodynamic nose of the train.
Thousands of components are produced here every single day.
The use of aluminum alloy reduces weight, increasing energy efficiency.
Door frames are stamped separately to ensure precise tolerances. Surfaces are cleaned to remove oil and debris for optimal welding.
Automation ensures a seamless transition between manufacturing stages.
Next, we enter the body shop, where the Metrolink 3000 truly takes shape.
The body shop is the heart of the operation, where raw panels become a structure.
Robotic welders join the floor pans to the side panels with thousands of spot welds. Seams are sealed using MIG welding to ensure weather-tight integrity. Watch as the body in white grows vertically, layer by layer.
The internal skeleton provides the crashworthiness and rigidity for passenger safety.
The undercarriage is reinforced to support the heavy propulsion equipment. The unpainted shell, known as the body in white, moves steadily along the line. Laser alignment tools ensure that windows and doors will fit perfectly.
The articulated section allows passengers to walk freely between carriages.
Friction stir welding creates a strong bond without distorting the metal.
Multiple units are built simultaneously to maintain production efficiency.
The distinctive nose cone is bolted and welded to the main structure. Human inspectors verify the integrity of robotic welds.
With the structure complete, the body is ready for surface treatment.
This raw aluminum surface will soon be protected and colored.
Sanding machines smooth out any imperfections in the metal surface.
Overhead cranes maneuver the heavy bodies with ease. A final structural check ensures the body meets all safety standards. Now, the Metrolink 3000 enters the critical paint shop phase.
The first step is a chemical bath to remove all oils and contaminants. Degreasing ensures the paint adheres perfectly to the aluminum surface. A phosphate coating is applied to prevent corrosion.
The E-coat process electrically applies primer to every crevice.
This ensures that even hidden areas are protected from rust. After the E-coat, the body is cured in high-temperature ovens. The oven cures the coating, creating a hard, durable shell.
PVC sealant is applied to the undercarriage for stone chip protection.
Sound-deadening materials are applied to reduce cabin noise. Technicians hand-finish areas that robots cannot reach.
Now, the iconic livery is applied. First, the base color. Synchronized robots ensure an even, consistent coat of paint.
The atomized paint particles bond electrostatically to the surface.
The wet base coat looks flawless as it heads to the flash-off zone.
Precision masking and spraying apply the Transit Authority's branding stripes.
The transition between colors is crisp and clean.
A protective clear coat is applied to add shine and scratch resistance.
The final bake hardens the paint, giving the train its showroom finish. The paint is now inspected for any imperfections. Minor polishing ensures the exterior is absolutely perfect. The painted bodies enter the clean room for final assembly. Thermal and acoustic insulation is packed into the walls and ceiling. Miles of electrical wiring are run through the ceiling and walls. The train's nervous system is connected, linking controls to the motors.
Durable, non-slip rubber flooring is rolled out and glued down.
Seams are welded to prevent water ingress and ensure hygiene.
Interior wall panels are clicked into place, covering the insulation. Seats are pre-assembled in modules before being installed.
The seats are anchored securely to withstand high G-forces.
Handrails are installed for passenger safety during transit. Modern LED lighting panels are integrated into the ceiling.
The interior is rapidly transforming into a passenger space.
Rubber seals prevent vibration and water leakage.
Passengers will have a clear, wide view of the city.
We now reach the critical marriage stage.
The bogie contains the motors, brakes, and suspension system.
Each bolt on the chassis is torqued to precise specifications. The body is carefully lowered onto the rolling chassis. Alignment is critical to ensure a smooth and stable ride.
Technicians secure the connection points.
The Metrolink 3000 is now a complete rolling vehicle. In articulated sets, cars are joined at the shared bogie.
The train set moves down the line for final fluid fills.
Gearboxes are filled with synthetic oil for smooth operation.
Brake fluid systems are pressurized and checked.
The pantograph is installed to collect power from overhead lines. Carbon strips ensure good electrical contact with the wires.
Windshield wipers are fitted for all-weather visibility.
Cameras and mirrors are installed for driver situational awareness.
External destination signs are tested and illuminated.
The Metrolink 3000 looks stunning and is ready for validation.
The train leaves the factory for its first live track run. On the test track, the Metrolink 3000 stretches its legs. It handles the track with stability and grace. The suspension provides a smooth ride, even at high speeds.
The articulated design allows for smooth cornering.
The bogies adapt dynamically to the track geometry.
The driver tests the acceleration and throttle response.
Visibility from the cab is excellent for safe operations.
Precision stopping is tested to align with platform markers. Door systems are cycled repeatedly to test reliability.
The train performs smoothly in reverse as well.
After a day of testing, the train is parked for inspection.
Engineers review the data from the day's rigorous tests. Every system receives a pass mark. The unit is officially cleared for customer delivery.
Multiple units are coupled to form the full train set.
The completed Metrolink 3000 train is a marvel of engineering.
The train leaves the factory, bound for the transit network.
It enters the dark tunnel, ready to serve the public.
Arriving at the station, it meets its first passengers.
Passengers flow onto the train, utilizing the spacious interior.
The interior design maximizes comfort and capacity.
The acceleration is smooth and electric. It joins the fleet, integrating seamlessly with the network.
Signaling systems communicate perfectly with the train.
Safety remains the paramount feature of this design.
The train travels across the city's infrastructure.
Built to last, the Metrolink 3000 serves the city for decades.
from the factory floor to the city streets.
The Metrolink 3000, the future of mass transit.